Hi, welcome to the Hypermedia Campaigner presentation. During the presentation, we'll be going over the main features and capabilities of the Campaigner, and we'll talk about bulk SMS messaging and interactive messaging responses. As you can see in front of us, the main window of the Campaigner has a compose window, status window, system time, which is a runtime and actual date, logout option, management area, which only the administrator can see, a regular user cannot see, and the settings area. If we go into the management area, the administrator has the option to remove a user, add a user, or edit a user. If you decide to add a new user, you can define his name, password, class, which is the type of user he will be, administrator platinum, select credit from a predefined list, and if you do not see the credit that you want in the predefined list, you can create a new parameter of credit, update it, and it will appear in the list of the user. If we go back to the main menu and into the settings area, you can see we have the option to see the type of server and the information we'll be sending the campaign through. It's predefined and you don't need to touch it. General settings, you can see the Hypermedia logo, which you can change the logo if you like. And we also have the option of enabling or disabling the message denial. Email settings are used to give us the option of sending out an email campaign, either with and alongside SMS campaign or by itself. Personal settings, we have the option of changing password, and we can also see the credit parameters of the user that the administrator defined. If we go back to the main window, we'll now try to compose our first campaign. First of all, we name it. We extract the CSV file from the computer, which has the contact information of all the users that we want. Write the body of the text. Let's say sale 50% off. Now we can define if we want the campaign to be SMS only, email only, or both together. We have the option of setting a schedule. We can select the exact date and the exact time we want the campaign to start. You can see the date and time here. We also have the option of sending out the campaign right now, or putting it on queue if we have other campaigns running. Another option is periodic activity, where we can define how many days we want the campaign to run, or how to set the campaign to run every other day, or as many days we define. Let's say every 2 days, or minutes, hours, days, or weeks. If we go to the IMR, which is interactive messaging responses, it will give us the ability to interact to the people we're sending out the campaign to. On a regular bulk SMS campaign, the person who receives the SMS does not have the option of responding. Here we can give them that the ability to respond. We can choose a type of IMR campaign from a predefined list, or we can basically create a new campaign. If we press here, we'll call the campaign tax. We'll press on tax and create our first response. Let's say number 1 will be yes. We go back to tax, create another response, which will be number 2, no. Back to tax, create response, number 3 will be maybe. Back to tax. If we write catch all, will give us the option to receive SMSs from people who didn't press 1, 2, or 3. So that way we know they tried to respond. If we want to create a sub-campaign, we can write yes. This way we can respond to their SMS that they responded to. And so on. We can create a sub-response for everything. If we go back to the main window, another option we have in the body of the text of the campaign is a verbal dynamic. If we put $sign and the word name, the person who will receive the SMS will have his name on the top of the list, which is extracted from the CSV file and the information that's on the computer. You also have the option of another verbal dynamic, or you can write down anything you want, with the location of the sale of the 50% off, which will extract from the CSV file, from the person's information, the exact location of the sale. Verbal dynamics make the SMS more personal and customer friendly. Any verbal dynamic can be used as long as it is defined in the CSV file, so it knows what kind of information to extract. Well, that's it. Thank you for listening to the Hypermedia Campaigner presentation.